Hello friends, this is your art teacher Archana Mohite. Today we are going to learn hanging. So we will start now. What material we need I will tell you. Chalo. We need a paper, whichever you have at home, mastic box, empty mastic box, then little bit of quilling for decoration material. You can use this beads, mirror, this type of ticklies. Okay, we need a woolen thread, whichever you have you can use that, it's okay. You can keep the message here to your parents, and this hanging will be wherever you want to hang, so it is very secret message. So you can give this message to your parents, so that I will be late, has given to you. So let's start now. First thing, how much distance is there? First mark it. I'm marking here also on the both the points, and with this I will join this for your box. How much you want to make, you can join one more. First thing, you can use your Fevicol or a double tape. I'm using a Fevicol, little bit on the tip here. First put on the tip corner, see this way, this side and this side. First keep your thing this way. Okay, hold it, bring your mark with the pencil and cut this. Okay, put a glue, spread it nicely. Okay, hold tightly and bring it here. Okay, the extra part you can cut it if something is coming out. Okay, then use your quilling to decorate this. You can decorate with whatever you have. I just having a quilling. If you have a satin ribbon or any type of ribbon, decorated ribbon, you can use that also, it's okay, whichever material you have available. You're going to make all the thing like this, wrapping this way and stick this way. Okay, after sticking you will get this way. Okay, after sticking you will get this way. Then decorate the thing how I had decorate this. You can put anything like this, or a mirror, or something like this, anything. Or even you don't have anything, you can put the buttons, colorful buttons of old shirt or any whichever is lying at home. So you can do it. See now how to make this portion. Okay, how to make this portion. So cut a strips like this. I have taken a strips like this, same size. Okay, 4 strips I have taken. Fold it into 2 and tie. Okay, tie here nicely. After tying this, if it is uneven, then make 2 out of this and join. See this way, cut it. Take a piece of paper, put a glue, open your box this way. See, put this way in the center and put this way inside this. Okay, see, after putting this, okay, you will get this. Now for the down portion, see, use your quilling paper. Okay, and roll it like this little bit. Okay, put the glue and then make the bits like this. Okay, now for the hanging we are going to use, so I'm putting inside this. Okay, alternate you can put. This way, then stick this inside. with the glue. Okay, hold it nicely. See, now I'm going to join this also, so it will become bigger. See, I'm going to join this also. Hold it. Your hanging is ready now. So children, try your hanging and click your photo nicely and send to me. Till then, see you children.